First of all, I don't like to make videos like this, but at this point, God is my witness. I swear to God, by this time, I am really stressed. I am really stressed to the point that I don't know what could happen to me in the next few minutes. And that is why I am making this video, because I feel like my life is in danger right now. My life is in danger because God is my witness. I always forget my birthday. I don't even remember my own birthday, my kid's birthday. I don't remember my mom's birthday or my siblings. I don't remember their birthday. But funny enough, TikTok just reminded me of my wedding anniversary tonight. That I got married to my wife 11 years ago. And you know what is funny? Me and my wife, we always fight almost every time. We will fight every time. We fight, we argue, we do a lot of things. But funny enough, today is our wedding anniversary. And my bed, I could not even remember it's our wedding anniversary. And by now, she has went to sleep. Funny enough, she was extremely nice to me today. Throughout today, she was nice, kind, clean the whole house, take care of everything. No arguments, no nothing. And what is the time now? The time now is 1 a.m. 1 a.m. in the morning, she has gone to sleep quietly. Only now TikTok just reminded me. I just saw the message now. A happy wedding anniversary. Trust me, I am really stressed now. I don't know, my life is... And untuk korang yang tak faham bahasa Inggeris, ini pasal hari jadi saya selalu lupa. Hari jadi anak-anak saya selalu lupa. Hari jadi mak saya punya hari jadi saya selalu lupa. Tapi yang lebih sakit hati saya malam ni, bini saya hari ini hari jadi pernikahan kita, tapi aku sudah lupa. Dan sekarang bini aku sudah pergi tidur. Dia sudah pergi tidur. Biasanya kita selalu gaduh-gaduh, selalu tenggar-tenggar. Tapi hari ini kita tak gaduh, kita tak buat apa-apa. Dia cuci dis, cuci dan masak untuk saya hari ini. Sekarang je aku baru receive notifikasi daripada TikTok. Hari ini hari jadi pernikahan kita. Astaghfirullahaladzim. I am so stressed right now. Apa yang aku nak buat sekarang aku pun tak tahu. Jadi aku buat video ini. Kalau apa-apa yang jadi, please pray for me, okay? Doakan untuk saya. Assalamualaikum.